Eat these 4 dried fruits before bed to restore clear vision overnight. Are you struggling to see clearly at night? Do street signs blur or headlights make you squint? What if I told you that 4 simple dried fruits, yes, just snacks, could help repair your vision while you sleep? Stick around, because today we're diving into a science-backed routine that could change how you see the world. We've seen how vision loss creeps in quietly, but it doesn't have to be inevitable. Let's talk about figs, dates, raisins, and dried apricots, and how they can help restore clarity overnight. Figs, night vision booster. Figs are rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and lutein, nutrients that support your retina and prevent night blindness. Pair them with almond butter to boost absorption. One patient, Harold, couldn't see stars anymore. After adding figs to his evening routine, he came back saying, "I can see the Big Dipper again." Dates, dry eye relief. Dates soothe dry, burning eyes, thanks to vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. They hydrate and nourish the tear film. Martha, a retired librarian, could barely read at night. After 3 weeks of evening dates and pumpkin seeds, she finished her first novel in years. No stinging, no strain. Raisins, retinal armor. Raisins are tiny but mighty. Packed with resveratrol and lutein, they shield your eyes from oxidative stress and blue light. They also stabilize blood sugar, which helps prevent blurry vision. Eleanor, a seamstress, got her evening quilting clarity back with just a handful of raisins and walnuts. Dried apricots are loaded with beta-carotene and potassium. They help produce rhodopsin for low-light vision and regulate intraocular pressure. Robert, age 70, avoided night driving for years. After adding apricots to his snack routine, he drove home confidently. No glare, no stress. Here's your vision-restoring snack. 2 to 3 figs. 1 to 2 dates. 2 tablespoons raisins. 3 to 4 dried apricots. Pair with raw nuts or seeds like almonds or sunflower seeds. Eat about an hour before bed with a glass of water. Rotate fruits through the week and give your eyes the nutrients they need to repair overnight. Vision loss isn't just aging, it's often nutrient deficiency. These 4 dried fruits are simple, affordable, and powerful. Whether it's reading without strain, driving at night, or seeing a loved one's face clearly, your vision matters. Start tonight. Your eyes deserve it. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, which fruit are you trying first?